Congratulations on making it to the end of the content for first module. The last remaining section in this module is a case study that was created to tie together the important concepts you have learned so far and to ensure that you have a practical understanding of this part of the AI workflow. Recall that one of the learning objectives for this module was to be able to implement a data ingestion pipeline for different business opportunities and know how you could improve it. Implementing the pipeline will be the focus of this case study, but let's take a moment to recall some of the other parts of the workflow that you have covered. First, we took some time to look at the common process models that are generally used to govern data science workflows. We also covered how design thinking, a model for problem solving, can be adopted as a data science process model. Next, some thought was given to identifying and articulating business opportunities when you know the overall narrative. Finally, you learned that it is important to use scientific thinking to refine the way you state your business opportunity. These steps together help you communicate reasonable project goals and expectations. The company Avail was introduced to provide a running example throughout the modules. Recall that the subscription-based service that the company provides has shown promise in US markets, but the Singapore market was performing poorly after 4 months. The primary business question is then, can we turn a sustainable profit in the Singapore market? Although that may be the goal of your work, the business question should be asked in a way that you can drive testable hypotheses. For example, can the factors that contribute to the unique situation in Singapore be confidently identified? With this question in mind, it is time to get on with implementing a data ingestion pipeline. There are 3 parts to the case study. Gather all relevant data from the sources of provided data, implement several checks for quality assurance, take the initial steps towards automation of the ingestion pipeline. You will be provided a SQL database that contains customer information and another file that contains user activity data. The general idea is to stage the data in a way that will allow you to investigate customer churn and subsequently the factors that contribute to the unique market situation in Singapore.